NEET 2026 paper leak was part of NTA's own paper setting panel. May 3rd, 22 lakh students sit their NEET exam. Within hours, a guest paper PDF matching 140 actual questions surfaces on WhatsApp. A chemistry coaching teacher blows the whistle. May 12th, exam cancelled. CBI takes over. They trace the leak to an insider on NTA's own paper setting panel. 12 others also got arrested. The investigation is still going on. And in the middle of all this, 20 students took their own lives. Kids who spent years preparing for one exam, one day, one shot, stolen from them by someone who was supposed to protect it. Now, what did the government get right? Because they did. Re-NEET announced for June 21st, conducted on the same day. No indefinite postponement. The education minister announced a shift to computer-based test mode, the correct structural fix, based on expert committee recommendation by former ISRO chief K. Radhakrishnan. Now, what did the government get catastrophically wrong? They took action. They went completely silent. No direct address to students. No explanation of what happened, what's being fixed. Nothing. And this is the point I want to make. Communicating what you've taken is as important as taking the action itself. Not always action speaks louder than words. Sometimes words speak louder too. When people feel unheard, they rally behind whoever speaks loudest, which is exactly what CJP did. Are they amplifying this for political benefit? Absolutely. That's visible. But who created the vacuum they filled? The government's own silence did. The PM announced fast-track courts for perpetrators. But it came a bit too late. July 20th, protesters marched towards parliament. Police are legally mandated to prohibit protests near parliament. Jantar Mantar being the designated exception per court order. A clash was structurally inevitable. Investigation is ongoing. I'm not taking sides. What I will say is, if the government had made students feel heard a month ago, this march wouldn't have happened. Is resignation the solution? Absolutely not. Resignation benefits someone politically. It does nothing for students if the system stays broke. What students need is CBT implemented, NTA overhauled, fast-track courts delivering convictions. That's accountability, not a chair change. But what happened these last few weeks is a wake-up call. The first step in solving a problem is making authorities feel its full weight. And that has happened. The students have successfully made it happen. Now they must act. And this time, communicate.